Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to view map coordinate of any place on your Google Maps. It's an easy and simple process. All you gotta do is watch this video till the end without skipping a part. So let's get started. First, open your Google Maps on your device. Then locate the place that you want to see the coordinate of. To view the coordinate, simply tap on the place. And as you can see in the search bar, few numbers appear up, and that is the map coordinate of this place. You can also view this coordinate by dragging up this window up, and here it is. You can tap on it to copy the coordinate. And guys, that was it. This is how you view the coordinate of any place on your Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update, and feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.